Hello YouTube, Suniti here, 4th of August 2020, and I want to take a video of this plant before I was thinking of removing the flowers of the African violet. So I wanted to illustrate to you the phenomenon of sporting, because while I was inspecting the plant because I was going to deflower it, I found this completely purple flower that belongs in a violet that's actually completely white to begin with. And I've had occasional streaking of purple streaks in this, and I haven't paid much attention to it. But one of my viewers said the phenomenon is called sporting. So, sporting means when a flower, a plant, particularly in the African violet, or maybe it applies to other plants as well, that the flower looks quite different from what the original plant was. So, there is some sort of a genetic mutation that occurs in the plant due to some sort of extreme stress, it is said, either an infection or drought or some sudden climate change. So the author in which I read this article also says that it can occur from if you make self-propagation through a leaf. So I have self-propagation from a leaf, but this is not it. This was an original plant that I bought. It's been with me for 7 years. So I don't know how this came about. Some condition has done this. So I want to take you to the page, the Facebook page of the website called Garden Hat, where I got most of my information on sporting in the African violet. And let's take a look at it. And by the way, as we are going that way, I'm just going to quickly show you, like I've completely deflowered the African violet with the mealybug situation. Just see all the stalks are cut off. This nice 4 or 5 healthy stalks, all cut. Okay, let's go to the web page I want to show you. So I'll go for a little walk in my apartment actually. Here we are. Here it is. Here's my laptop on which I was doing research. And here it is. This is a picture of an African violet on this page called Garden Hat. It's a Facebook page, and there's the URL if you are interested. Can you see the different color flowers in the same plant? That's really, really interesting. So the article is also very interesting, and he says that they were genetically modified plants where poisonous extract with colchicine. So I sort of ran through that, and I'm not that interested in reading about how to make it happen, but they can be created as in the earlier attempts of genetic modification with different chemicals, blah, blah, blah. What I was really interested in, how do they happen naturally? And he says they're interesting because you never know for sure if they're going to happen or not. I think somewhere I read that, what did he say? Where is it? Sometimes the color change or leaves, sometimes the change from the soft and fuzzy to the stiff, etc. So I just wanted to basically show you this picture of the change and also give you the reference to this research point. Garden Hat, African Violets, gardenhat.org African Violet Sport. So that was an interesting piece of information. And also I found out another interesting piece of information as to how long do African violets live. Apparently the lifespan of an African violet can be 50 years, and I've had mine for 7 years, so it's still just very young, and I should do everything in my effort to hold on to it and keep it going. So I have all the incentive to get rid of the mealybugs and take care of my African violet. I'm also looking forward to the babies from the leaf, and I wonder what color flowers they will produce. I have taken the leaf from the purple plant, so apparently 1 or 2 out of 100 leaves propagated will change genetically. So that's a strange thing to happen. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed researching it, and thanks for watching.